And we're live, folks. Doesn't matter here, clear my throat. But yeah, I'm back for a new video, back for a new lecture. And I'm just going to finish off the low vibrational energies lecture. Yeah, so the last ones that I have, well, just to break down it, to go over it again, vibrational energies goes from a level from 0 to 1,000. The lowest being death, the highest being God consciousness. And, we go up from 20, starting off at 20. 20 is shame, 30 is guilt, 50 is apathy, 75 is grief, 100 is fear, 125 is desire, 150 is anger, 175 is pride, 200 is courage, 250 is neutrality, 310 is willingness, 350 is acceptance, 400 is reason, 500 is love, 540 is joy, 600 is peace, 700 is to 1,000 is enlightenment. So yeah, so just to break this lecture down, I went over the first one. I went over the first set in one of my first lectures. The second lecture, I went over the neutral feelings, and the last one I'm gonna go over to the high vibrational feelings. So the first one started off at 500 is love, and the feeling that you get from having a love, being in the love consciousness is reverence, and the life view is 9. So reverence is like everything that feels amazing, complete. You're just loving life, you're content with life. So being in the love frequency is one of the highest frequencies you can be in, but it's not the highest. So just being a loving person, you're going out there, you're spreading love, spreading positivity. So the negativity dissolves once you go over to the positive energies and the positive conscious levels, high conscious levels. Negativity dissolves. So you're all about doing what's right for the people and doing the things that you love, your passions, just seeking out your passions and making the world a better place when you're in the love frequency. So you're living in your heart space and not your ego. Our ego is here to protect us, and it's here to keep us. Not being in our ego keeps us in a self-centered, selfish point of view. We're doing everything for ourselves. It's not bad. Doing things for yourself is not bad, but when you become too selfish, too indulgent to yourself, it becomes a detriment to you and to other people around you. So just being in the love frequency, being in your heart frequency, is what keeps you going, keeps you upbeat, keeps you high vibrational, and not too full of yourself to indulge in anything that's detrimental to the environment around you. So yeah, that's it. Joy is the next one at 540. So joy gives you an emotion of serenity, and your life view is complete. So everything is like everything's perfect for you. Well, not perfect. Well, everything's complete for you when you have a complete life view. When you're joyous, you're happy, everything's going right. And you're just feeling upbeat, feeling up tempo when you find joy in something, and you find joy in life. You find a joy for life. So that's basically what it is. 600, we got peace, and you have emotions of bliss. Everything's blissful, and your life view is perfect. So once you find peace within yourself, you're able to connect with a higher consciousness. You're able to connect with the God consciousness and the universe. So, I can pull up more information soon. But, just being at peace, that's why people say it's important to find your peace within yourself. Because when you find peace within yourself, you're able to find peace outside of yourself. You're able to bring peace to the world. Yeah, and sometimes you may sometimes you have to fight battles to get peace. You see what I'm saying? Like, you might have to fight, to get peace and whatnot. So peace is something that you have to find what you have to fight for as well sometimes. Just going through different battles to find peace. And why is this shit not? Whatever. But yeah, I'm not going to take it. And then 700, is enlightenment. Everything's ineffable. Everything, like, you have an emotion that you cannot, this is emotion you cannot explain. You're in such high vibration. So once you get to different levels of dimensions and consciousness, logic goes out the window. So you start to become in the I am when you get this enlightenment life view. You're going to start to go towards the I am rather than the whatever. You start living in your purpose once you become enlightened as well. So, yeah, it's another thing. I'm pulling up some more information so it won't be like, yeah, golly. Like, this computer's been acting up all day. And, you know, I don't want this lecture to be dry or whatnot, so I'm just going through, golly. Yeah, I'm just going to go through some the lowest to highest is shame, guilt, apathy, grief, fear, desire, anger, pride, courage, neutrality, willingness, acceptance, reason, love, joy, peace, and enlightenment. So these are all the conscious levels. And yeah, enlightenment frequency. Enlightenment frequency. The high vibrations. And I can teach you the ways of getting into a high vibration. And, you know, being in a high vibration, you want to get into a high vibration, you want to be in nature and whatnot, you want to be around what's natural oils, natural scents, you know, just taking, bathing in natural oils, lighting, sages, you know, using crystals. Those are ways to get you in a high vibration. Meditation is a way to get you into a high vibration, just keeping the focus. Just doing what you love, that will keep you in a high vibration, and just loving yourself, period, will always keep you in a high vibration, because, you know, you have to think of the blessings that you want to receive, and once you think of the blessings you want to receive in your mind frame, since the subconscious mind is 30 times powerful, 30 times more powerful than the subconscious mind, 30 times, not 30 times, 30,000 times more powerful than the conscious mind, and it's backed by images. So once you envision and imagine blessings, you will receive and attract blessings into your life. So that is one of the ways you can use and attract enlightenment, abundance into yourself each and every day. I can go in another video about this. I might never do another lecture soon, just breaking down probably the tree of life. Since I'm using paper and stuff now. So yeah, I'm trying to look. Like, it was just, I should have saved it. It was just crazy. You know, the field of love. Just feel the love, frequency of love. It just gives all these, awakening your kundalini. Alchemist chakra. Yeah, throat. Oh, okay, these are just chakras. Yeah, your chakras can be aligned to your frequencies too. I'm trying to find. I should save this stuff. You know, I'm going to a lecture unprepared, just like the last two. But it's whatever. We're just keeping it how it is. Everything is energy. Yes, everything, because you know everything is energy in the universe. Once you learn, you can learn. You unlock so much knowledge and learn so much when you understand that everything comes down to three things: energy, frequency, and vibration. So think of it as, you know, body, spirit, body, soul, spirit. And once you will go to a lower level, gas, liquid, solid. And once you get to a higher level, space, time, space, and matter. Once you think of it in a higher way. Jeez. I wish it was yeah. Sheesh. Be more. So yeah, basically. And you know, I can go over to 900 level. It's 900 level. Oh, I mean, I can go to 700 would be enlightenment. So next we have 780, which is appreciation. Once you get to a 780 frequency, you're in the appreciation frequency. That's higher than enlightenment. So appreciation, just be grateful and appreciate what you have. Once you are very appreciative, that is one of the most powerful things that you can give away. And once you go to a 900 level consciousness, you'll start to experience gratitude, freedom, and empowerment. Once you just go wake up every day, thank the universe, thank God, whoever you want to thank your parents, thank the people you love, thank yourself, thank everything. And then be grateful for what you have. This will keep you in a high vibration as well, and this will help you triple your blessings, triple the abundance that you receive in life. Just be grateful, and once you start to be grateful, you'll experience freedom, spiritual freedom. And then once you go into these high vibrations, you'll start to feel free, and you feel like you can control your destiny, your life, and you can just take the powers and use it to create any reality that you desire and you want to create. The next one, empower. You'll start to feel empowered. You will start to feel empowered once you take control of your life and you can take control of everything that you can control, that you can control. Because we can't control everything that's outside. We can't control anything that's outside of us. We can only control how we see things, how we perceive things, how we feel about things. We can only control that. Everything else is, yeah. I'm starting, but everything else is inevitable. Consciousness. God, oh my gosh. God consciousness. Alright, there we go. Thank you for the like, whoever liked it. I hope everybody that's watching this is doing amazing. I forgot to start off with the intro. Jeez. Hope everyone's doing amazing. Hope you guys are feeling amazing. Shout out to the Soul family. I didn't forgot about that. It's all good. It is not dependent. So yeah. So I'm not talking. Ooh. I'm gonna say this. But yeah, my bad. I got sidetracked looking up information because I need to start saving it. So yeah, God, just God consciousness is an access to spiritual awareness. It helps you go into the portal of the spirit realm, and once you understand the spirit realm, everything is energy, frequency, and vibration. Everything in the spirit realm is energy, frequency, and vibration too. Sometimes spirits contact you. Sometimes you learn from the universe through numbers, because in certain dimensions and levels of consciousness, words do not exist. It's just the energy that is being carried out through your mouth, because our words carry energy, frequency, and vibration as well. So does our thoughts and ideas. So once we understand that, and understand the true intentions, you'll understand the true intentions behind people when picking up their vibes and their energies. This is like God consciousness, not being God or the creator yourself, but just to have the abilities to see from a higher perspective and to contact and connect with God itself. Religious folks will think, God's a woman, God's a man. But in this case, we're talking about the sole overall creator and whatnot. So, yeah. Hey, what's up, Kendra? How you doing? But, yeah. Is this it? I can keep going. Because, the God consciousness is within us, connects us to everything. Law of one divineness. Everything is connected mentally and spiritually. Everything that has a spirit, a soul, is all connected. Every human, every animal, every insect, every plant, every star, every planet, every star, every planet, the sun, the moon, every solar system, every galaxy in the universe is all connected through in a spiritual and a mental way. So our thoughts and ideas will affect everything outside of us, the people around us, and our environment. Everything starts within, because we're all connected. We're all connected to one source. But we all have the abilities to gain such power to create bodies for ourselves. So once we talk about the 4th, 5th, and 6th dimension, we will create celestial star sun bodies, and then planet bodies as well, oversoul bodies. And then once we go to the 7th, 8th, and 9th dimension, we will create solar system, galaxy, and universal bodies, galactical and universal bodies. So yeah, it's all connected. It's all connected to one consciousness. We're all the consciousness. We're all energies. We're all spirits. We're all vibrations. So I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Hope you guys are doing amazing again. I love you guys. I'm out. Peace.